What's up YouTube, this is JB. Today's video, I'm about to do some stuff to the interior on the Jeep. Right now, I'm on my way to the place. I don't want to say where it is yet. I'll try to show you guys when I get there, try to see if I can record. But the stuff is in the back of the Jeep. If I can't record, I just end up showing you everything afterwards. But for now, I guess let me show you this ATL traffic. Alright, so I couldn't record while I was in there because I had to actually pay attention. But as soon as I get home, I'll go ahead and show you what I did to the interior. You might be able to see it now, but if not, you'll see it in a little bit. Alright, so now I'm at the house. So now you get to see what I added to the interior. Bam. Baby seat. Yes, me and my wife are expecting a baby next week, so I had to go and get the car seat checked out, make sure it was installed right. But this is what I did to the interior, and it looked like this will be in here for a long time, but this is it. Make sure you watch all my other videos, comment, like, subscribe. I got some more reviews coming. Caffeine and Octane is this upcoming Sunday, so I'll be having a video from that. I'll be posting pictures on my Instagram page, and that's JB_vision. But until next time, alright, peace.